Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm with my good friend Ryan. We're actually in the middle of the ride right now. As you can see, we're going to do a quick bike check of his bike, a giant Fathom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so first time in the channel, so he's going to do the bike check for us, and yeah, give us the rundown. What's on his bike? Yeah, let's go.
This is Ryan. I'm on a ride with Mark from the Hardtail gang. This is my 2019 Giant Fathom 1. It's got disc brakes on the front and back. It's 27.5-inch wheels on the front and back. They're 2.6 width. Came with a built-in dropper post. Got race face pedals and the race face orange grips to match the orange on the bike. I've upgraded the headset to an orange Chromag headset and orange Chromag stem risers. It's got a Sun Tour, I think it's a 120 millimeter front fork. Yeah, it's a all-around good bike. So if you're looking for a great hardtail, the Giant Fathom 1 is your way to go.
Alright, that's it for this video. It's just a quick bike check of Ryan's bike. Thanks so much for watching. Follow him on Instagram as well. I'm going to put all the links in the description down below. Again, thanks so much for watching. Peace out.